Alright, decided to take a little walk. Let you guys come along. Our tree. I don't know if you guys can hear that echo or not, but there's our other tree. Cedars are all leaning. Alright, let's see about this trampoline. Woohoo! Oh my god. There we go. Oh, what do you say, about 1/4 inch ice? Let's see. Wow. That's crazy. Walking in a frozen wonderland. Took a little drive earlier and we didn't make it but a 1/2 mile down the road. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Anyways. And yeah, it's black ice on the road. Everything that melted a little while ago is back to ice now, and we saw a few trees already leaning on our power lines down the road, so I will not be surprised if we lose power. One of them is leaning on a communication line, so that falls, there goes our internet, but just look at this. Hey, I wonder if I can do that satisfying leaf thing. Well, I guess not. There we go. There's a little bit of it. Anyways, yeah. And it is beginning to snow again. Oh, wow. I hope you guys heard that. I just heard a big tree crash. Sounded like it came from that way. Wow. Unbelievable. Alright, I'm going back in.